Ladies and gentlemen, here's the final product. Look at how shiny it looks. Before I go around it, I do want to say to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to stain the Pebble cement coffee table that I made in my previous video. Disclaimer, I have no idea what I'm doing. I have researched some, but I'm sick and tired of looking at it and being too cautious as to how I'm gonna make this happen. So I'm just gonna wing it. Hope for the best. You do want to keep it away from any cement because it is going to stain everything that it touches. So I placed it there, and these are the stains I purchased on Amazon. Double gloves, I would suggest you do that. I'm going with turquoise, brown, and I'm gonna do a couple of veins, of black veins. And I am getting inspiration from these two babies. See how it has lines, veins, whatever you want to call them. This one as well. I'm gonna attempt to do that, but I do want it to be striking and the color to be loud and pretty and vibrant. So that's the reason why my main focus is going to be on the blue. Okay, and I have a bucket of water. This is going to be for the blue, this is going to be for the brown, and then the black. I got to get another bucket and put some of the black there. Got to be careful because that black looks really intense, so maybe I'll use that. That might be all right. Let's go ahead and make this happen. Wish me luck. All right, this is brown. Let's see what happens. All right, this is the black. Let's see what happens. First, I like to say that the colors do not need to be diluted with water. This product is very watery already as it is. So that was the first mistake. The black one, yes, I got it. That one can be diluted a little bit, but the blue and the brown, not at all. The blue did not come through at all, as you're going to see. Here I'm dipping the back of a brush in the black, and I'm doing lines to create more of a realistic look. After that, I realized that the colors were just not strong enough, so I started sprinkling it straight out of the bottle, as you see me doing here, and it started working a lot more. You can actually see seeping through the concrete, and the color was starting to come through more. Okay, over here is just starting looking like a whole mess that I wasn't too confident with, to be honest with you. Didn't turn out how I expected, but it looks interesting. Let it sit, let it continue to do its thing, and we'll see how this thing looks. Starting to work. Let's do more lights. All right, take some of this blue, mix with water. If you don't mix it with water, it won't work. It won't seep into the cement. It worked. So here I went in and grabbed my acrylic blue teal color because I wanted blue to be the predominant color in this piece. So this is what I decided to do. And thank God I did that because it completely changed the entire look of the project, almost identical to what I was envisioning. Okay, I flipped it over. Let's do the bottom part. And very cautiously, we are going to darken those lines. All right. Should we leave it like that? It looks so trippy. It's so cool. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, so I took a mesh that I have and I put it here so when the water drains down, the hole doesn't get clogged with debris and soil and who knows what else. All right, so let's go ahead and plant this lovely Terranium, I think it's called. I think this is the Terranium family. See? Oh, let's go. So I have decided to add a little bit more blue. Look at how simple it is. I sand it down to make it look more dramatic. And you're gonna take some acrylic and a little bit of water. You cannot just put acrylic as is in here. It won't seep through the concrete. And grab some kind of sponge and play with it. And then blend it in any way you want to get a more striking color, because I want blue to be the predominant color. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. And there's no right way or wrong way to do this. This is your rock and you're creating it any which way you want. See how gorgeous that looks. Let me show you how amazing this product is. Okay, I made this sphere, garden sphere, over a year ago, and I sealed the project with this product you see right here, and look how incredible and beautiful it still looks. Not a single crack, no water damage, no stains, nothing. And this one as well, I did, and sealed it with this. Now let me show you what happens when you don't seal your cement or concrete. Right here, look at it. See what happens, how ugly this is getting. That's because I ran out of this product and decided to leave it out without sealing it, and this is what we have. Still looks okay, but not as pretty. And if you do want to create this spheres that I made, check out my channel. Now let's go ahead and seal our table. And I'm having it stand up in something that just broke, but it's still staying up. So let's hurry up and make this happen before it tips over. All right. protect this thing because we don't want our lovely plant to die. Right? Right. Let's make sure this holds it in place. Leave it. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the final product. Look at how shiny it looks. Before I go around it, I do want to say to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for thinking that I am very talented and for appreciating my art. It does take a lot of work for me because I am a full-time soldier, and this is my part-time hobby that I love so much. Here is the final product. Absolutely amazing. If you want to follow me on Instagram, SFC_Cubanita, CUBANITAM as in Mary. And I would love to hear all about your projects and everything that you're doing and how things are turning out. I know I have brought the artist out of many people, and that brings me great joy. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate you all. Thank you for your support, and until next time, adios.